Hi everyone, today I want to sharing some information about when is the best timing to install the Autogate. Example, during renovation we not advise because a lot of contactor in and out. Some contactor without the remote, he never know you already got Autogate and go and pushing your gate. We don't want this happen. That's why installation of the Autogate is after the renovation. But I know your concern is a bit dirty, right? So for our Autogate, it's not dirty job because we do some welding job and gluing. That's all. We no hacking anything. The most important actually you need to check two things. Number one, your wiring is there. The wiring for both sides. Example, you want the swing gate or folding gate. Same. Both sides must have wire. The TMP already, the LCB, everything got current. Then number two, the falling the tiles. If you got tiles, but if we install before the tiles, then the problem is up down already. So it's better after the tile. Only we install the Autogate, then the same level. This hope can help you all. Thanks.